So revenue is vanity and profit is survival. Okay. You have to know where you're profitable at. You know, what jobs are making money and what jobs are losing money. It's very important to know. It is actually more important to know if a job is losing you money than to know if it is making you money. I know that kind of sounds strange, but if a job is losing you money and you're actually spending more money than you're making on the job, not only are you wasting your time, your people, right? You're not putting them to work on something that's going to generate money, right? But you're also losing money while doing it, which is not what you want, right? So, have all of your sales guys keep receipts. Make sure that each job has its own folder, right, with all of the receipts that are associated with it. Make sure you're tracking the amount of labor that's going into each job so that you can be like, all right, we spent X amount of dollars on labor on this job, and we spent X amount of dollars on materials on this job. So we know that our cost is right here. And this is where we need to be profitable, right? So this is the amount of money that it should sell for, right? Did it sell for that? And if it did sell for that, great. You can then mark that job as a win, right? If it didn't sell for as much as it needed to sell for to cover you, you have to take this as lessons learned, okay? If you don't know whether or not you're making money or losing money on a job, it's going to be really hard to know whether or not your business is profitable. So keep receipts, try to do the best at job tracking, have eventually hire yourself a project manager that will look at these projects and, put all of the receipts and all of the expenses together on each project to figure out which ones are profitable.